Hello students, good morning to all of you. Hope you're doing well. Students, today we are going to learn a new song, a new poem, and it's about plants. You know plants are very important for us. Plants give us oxygen and they help us to live in a healthy environment. So we will learn a poem about plants. So if you have plants in your homes, take care of your plants. Thank you so much. Let's start singing. Okay, dear parents, this poem is based on the composition of Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. You can help your child to learn this poem. Thank you so much. Let's start singing. One, two, three, start. I plant a seed in the ground. Out came the sun, big and round. Down came the raindrops, soft and slow. Up comes a flower, grow, grow, grow. Very nice. I want you to sing one more time with me, okay? Let's start singing. I plant a seed in the ground. Out comes the sun, big and round. Down came the raindrops, soft and slow. Up comes a flower, grow, grow, grow. Up comes a flower, grow, grow, grow. Thank you so much. Hope you have enjoyed this poem. Learn it and enjoy yourself. Take care of yourself. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you so much. See you soon.